Well, we're back again. Guess what we have? An unboxing, part 2. You may be wondering, what's in it? Well, let me show you. It's a box! No, in all seriousness, it is a box though. But the car is not in it. So, let's go to the actual package. Not in there either. And here it is. This is Brian's Mitsubishi Evolution 7. And as you see, the trunk opens. You have the Fast and Furious plate. It's got the chrome steering wheel, shifter, and pedals, along with the tack gauge. If I can find a flashlight. Oh, there it is. Okay. There's a better view of the inside. Yeah, I don't know how well you guys can see that. But there's that. It does have the back seat. And they didn't take the time to detail the engine, which kind of sucks. But I mean, overall, this looks good. Aside from the exhaust being broken, which I'll have to fix. But I mean, it's a really good model, basically. Which means, actually, here's a size comparison to the 1/64 scale to the 1/24. So you guys can see quite a difference there. You know, I like it. Which, that's the last one to complete the Fast and Furious shelf that we have up there. So, venture with me and putting the last piece to the puzzle. Here, hold on for a minute. And there we go. So we have from 1, 2, 4. I believe this is still 4. 4. Don't even remember now. Probably 7, 8, and then we just move on to random. Then we have the 1/18 scale General with this one, 1/18 scale Impala with the 1/24 scale sitting over there. And if you want to see more detailed reviews, leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe, hit the bell. So, on this note, we're signing off. Later.